Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Hello everyone. I am Animesh Gogoi Nibaran, and today we are going to discuss about one of the most important weapon of an artist. In my previous video, I have discussed about the three important elements that are required to be a good actor. Today we are going to discuss about the first element, that is voice. Okay? Just imagine one of your friend is calling you from an unknown number. When you receive the call and you hear the voice, you can recognize him because that particular person have got a uniqueness in him. Okay, now every person in this world have got a different voice. Some person might have a harsh voice, some person might have a sweet voice, some person have a good bass in their voice, while some might have a good tone in their voice. Now this is a quality that is God gifted. You cannot change this thing. If you want to be a good actor, everyone wants to be a good actor, and they used to follow some artist. They used to act like that particular artist. They want the voice of that artist. But this is not good, because every person have got a different voice. Now, how can you recognize a particular artist without actually watching him? If we close our eyes and listen to his voice, we can know him. Okay, we can recognize his voice and we can tell that yes, he is that artist. Now, we cannot match their voice. If you want to be an actor, you have to accept your voice. You have to find your original voice. Okay, and the original voice comes from within yourself, not from someone else. Whenever you try to copy someone else, it's not done. Suppose I'm telling like this and that. Now see, I'm changing my tone. Am I looking good? I'm not looking good, I'm sure, because I am trying to modulate my voice. Voice modulation is not required. You have to find the uniqueness of your voice, which is within yourself. Every person have a unique voice. That is what I am telling. So the voice comes from within yourself. There is the vocal cord, it have got a glottis, okay, then your tongue, this is your mouth, these are your teeth, and the tongue. All these things helps an actor to make his point, to make his standpoint in front of another actor. Okay, these are the mediums that help you to express yourself in front of others. So we have to use all these things: vocal cord, glottis, tongue, all these things, so in such a manner, in such a harmonious manner, that our expression, that our way, our feelings are understood by others. Okay, now your vocal cord, your glottis, your mouth, your tongue, your teeth, all these things are within yourself, and these things helps you to express yourself in front of others. Okay, an actor have to use all these things in a harmonious manner, so that all his qualities, what he wants to express, he can express it in front of others or in front of his audience. In my next video, I'm going to discuss about some exercises that will help to improve your voice without copying any other artist. Because whenever we copy other artists, we can't be like them. We have to find the uniqueness in ourselves. Every person is unique. You have got a voice, and that is your uniqueness. With this thing only, you can be a good actor. Okay, there are many actors in this world, billions and billions of actors, but we recognize only a few people because they have got the uniqueness of their own. They believe in themselves. They respect themselves. Respect. That is the most important thing. You have to respect your voice. You have to respect yourself. If you respect yourself, then you will get respect from others. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like it, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Namaste.